In this video, I'll show you how to open a Calendly account step by step. Calendly makes it easy to schedule meetings, appointments, interviews, and calls without sending messages back and forth to find a suitable time. Creating an account is free to get started and only takes a few minutes. If this guide helps you, please tap the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to calendly.com. Make sure you enter the address correctly so you arrive at the official Calendly website. When the page loads, look for the sign up option and click it. You may also see a button labeled Get Started for free. Click that button to begin creating your account. Calendly will then show you several ways to register. You can continue with Google, continue with Microsoft, or sign up using your email address. Choose the option that works best for you. If you want to connect an existing Google account, select Continue with Google and follow the instructions on screen. You may need to choose the Google account you want to use and approve the requested permissions. You can also select Continue with Microsoft if you prefer to use a Microsoft account. Sign in with your Microsoft credentials and follow the prompts to continue. Using Google or Microsoft can make the sign-up process faster because some of your account details may be added automatically. If you would rather create a separate Calendly login, choose the option to sign up with your email address. Enter the email address you want to associate with your Calendly account, then continue to the next step. Make sure the email address is correct and that you can access its inbox because Calendly may require you to verify it. You may then be asked to enter your email address again. Carefully type it a second time to confirm that both entries match. Next, enter your name and create a secure password. Use a password that is difficult for other people to guess and avoid reusing a password from another service. When all the required information is complete, continue with the sign-up process. Calendly may send a verification message to your email address. Open your email inbox and look for a message from Calendly. If you do not see it immediately, check your spam, junk, promotions, or other filtered folders. Open the message and use the verification link or code provided. Once your email has been verified, return to Calendly if necessary. The final step is to finish the account setup. Calendly may ask you questions about how you plan to use the service, your role, or the type of meetings you want to schedule. Answer the questions that apply to you and complete the remaining setup screens. You may also be asked to choose an availability schedule or customize your scheduling preferences. You can usually adjust these settings later, so do not worry if you are still exploring the platform. When the setup is complete, your Calendly account will be ready to use. From the dashboard, you can create an event type, set your available hours, connect a calendar, and share your scheduling link with other people. Connecting a calendar can help Calendly check when you are busy and prevent double bookings, so consider setting that up before sharing your booking link. To recap, go to calendly.com, click sign up or get started for free. Choose Google, Microsoft, or email registration. Enter and confirm your details, verify your email if required, and finish the setup. That's all it takes to open a Calendly account. If this tutorial was useful, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. If you have any questions about creating or setting up your Calendly account, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.